Hello, my dear Cancer. Wow, December 2025 feels like a sacred gift for you to gently step into powerful transformation. Yes, really, imagine yourself wrapped up in comforting energy while the cosmos open new doors in your career, health, wealth, and love. What if this month is your chance to heal old wounds and craft a bright, fulfilling future? Isn't it beautiful to feel so deeply supported? Stay with me, my dear friend, as we dive deep into your full reading. If you're ready to embrace this nurturing energy, smash that subscribe button, like this video, and comment below your December intentions. Let's begin your beautiful unfoldment. Starting off with your career. Cancer, this December, your career is guided by the Hierophant's energy tradition, mentorship, and building on solid foundations. So imagine yourself surrounded by wise advisors, mentors, or supportive co workers who help you find clarity and confidence. If you have been feeling uncertain, this month brings reassurance. You don't have to do it all alone, my friend. Your team is going to be there with you. Maybe you reconnect with a mentor or a community that aligns with your values, providing guidance that opens new pathways. This is a season to honor your emotional wisdom. Trusting only, don't trust without logic, okay? There should be a logic if you are trusting someone this particular month at your workplace. And yes, trust your intuition as well while making the career decisions. You might also be revisiting long held goals with fresh eyes. Possibly, I'm saying shifting direction to align better with your authentic self. So, visualize creating a career path that feels both secure and inspiring. A place where your heart and mind work in harmony. Yeah, that would be the better way to say. Mid December calls for patience. Progress may feel slow, but every step counts, okay, toward lasting achievement. So, welcome the quieter moments in your life. They carry the power to manifest your bigger vision. Okay? Sit in silence. You will get the answers. Let's talk about your money and wealth. So, financially, I would say that you need to manage not money, but you need your conscious management, is something which you really need this month. You need to have a fresh approach towards your money, towards your investments, towards your saving. Okay? And yes, you also need to have a fresh approach, whether it's about learning new skills, budgeting smarter, or exploring the side ventures. Okay? But to yourself carefully, you review your finances with calm intention. Let go of the old money anxieties. Okay? And any debts or financial tensions may begin resolve now if you act wisely and ask for support where needed. Okay? I know some of you are already having some financial tensions going on, but things will start resolving slowly. Okay, so don't worry about it because we also have a 10 of Pentacles. I am seeing that some of you are getting unexpected gifts. I'm seeing some of you are getting the property or a house as a gift. Okay, some kind of family matters, some kind of legal battle. I'm seeing some kind of legacy matters as well here. Okay, inheritance, I'm seeing. I'm also seeing some opportunities which are connected to your loved ones. So that kind of opportunity is also there. And yeah, some kind of benefit is there. Okay. And it's in the form of asset with 10 of Pentacles. And this is a time to build not just personal wealth but lasting security for your future generations. Okay. And universe is providing you the chance this particular month. So yes, save and invest. Okay. And avoid the impulsive purchases. Instead, sow seeds for long term abundance. And just imagine your wealth growing like a well watered garden. Okay. So, yes, that was your reading for the money and wealth. Now, let's talk about your health and wellness. Your health this month is going to flourish with balance and self kindness with the temperance card. Yes. Be mindful of what you're eating. Okay. Do some activity, do some rest because you're not you're doing some sort of physical activity, but when it comes to your emotional well-being, you're not taking care of it. Okay. So this particular month, your emotional well-being is also very, very important because it is going to really help you to release the stress. Okay. Whatever suits you, meditation, journaling, therapies, whatever helps your soul, do that. Visualize yourself creating safer spaces for healing old emotional wounds. Don't carry those grudges. Don't carry those wounds. Okay? Forgive people and move on. Forgive people for yourself, for your own peace. Okay? You cannot change them. Just show them the empathy for what wrongs they have done to you and just move on. They are not mature enough. They're emotionally immature and therefore they did what they did. Okay? So just be show empathy towards them and just move on. Okay, for yourself, for your own peace. We have the Four of Swords also. So, yes, mm, take pauses, cry if you want. Okay, you are not called weak if you cry. Okay, so cry, take pauses, do whatever you want to feel lighter, to feel at peace. Okay, I can see that yes, there is something which happened. Okay, with respect to your health and wellness, and there was somebody who was involved, and I'm seeing a male figure here. Okay, so self-care routines should be there. Those are very, very essentials for you, so don't skip that. That is the advice from the card. Let's talk about those of you who are single. So my dear single cancers, December is offering you the tender new beginnings in love. Okay, I'm also seeing a very kind soul is entering your life after a long time. Someone who is going to value your sensitivity and depth. How beautiful. So imagine the heart opening conversations by candlelight or songs shared under winter stars. But patience is going to play a very big role here. So don't rush or force the connection. Trust your intuition about the people and situations because your intuition is going to be at its peak this month. Okay. So you are going to be invited for some kind of party, event, dinner, I don't know what. My dear singles, okay? So allow the love to grow naturally, don't force it. That is your advice from the card. The energy supports spiritual and soulful connections here, not the fleeting romances. So I'm seeing somebody who is very spiritual, somebody who is very soulful, somebody who is emotionally mature is about to enter your life. Okay? That's beautiful to know. Okay, so the for the Cancer couples, let's see what is coming in December. So for you, those of you who are already in committed relationship, I am seeing some kind of renewal after challenges. A lot happened, and due to the third party, a lot of things happen in your relationship. Okay, a lot of misunderstandings was created by this third party. Now, this third party can be any person from the in-law family, can be any friend, can be anybody in the world. Okay, third party doesn't always means any romantic partner. Okay, he or she can be anybody. But yes, please forgive each other and have a honest conversation. Things can resolve, the misunderstandings can dissolve. Okay, there is an opportunity here. Visualize holding each other's hands, setting intention for a loving, peaceful 2026. Spiritual connection is going to deepen here. Small gestures become the foundation of lasting intimacy. Okay, we also have the Hermit card here. Okay, so if you have challenges in the relationship, the advice from the card is that you should find some moments of quietness and reflect together how your relationship has been so far. Okay, and each one of you, what are the areas where you need to work on yourself and decide mutually and respect each other's need for personal space during this process. That is very important. So together, I'm seeing that you can rebuild the trust and joy. Okay, there's an opportunity here. And you can also weave the stronger bonds from the tenderness and truth. Okay. So be true to your partner. And yes, I'm seeing a beautiful a future of both of you, you can again rebuild the trust. There is a possibility here in your relationship, even though you have gone through a lot of things, Sensei. Okay, so that was your reading, Cancers, for this December month. And yes, December 2025 is inviting you to a journey of healing, growth, and fullness. If this reading resonated with your soul, please like, comment on your December hopes, and subscribe to Tarot with Donna for your weekly cosmic nourishment. You are cherished, beloved, and worthy of this beautiful life unfolding for you. Much love and light. Bye for now.